Look at this. So cute. My girl. Hi everyone. Is it working or not? Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Wow. So today I'll be going. I'm all ready to go, by the way. So now I'm leaving for to collect my fan, and yeah, so let's go. I have to wait for like 6 to 7 minutes for my bus to arrive. So I'm in the bus right now. So yesterday Ashburnham Grove. So yesterday I ordered the fan. So I'm basically going to collect that from a store. So yeah, so that store is like 20 minutes from the bus from my location. So I'm so worried that how can I carry that the full big fan. So I have to carry that stuff and walk for 5 to 6 minutes, and it's going to be awkward because the stuff is so huge. I know, because it's a fan. So I stopped my mic in this thing. So one day, someday, I'll be able to live here, hopefully. Yeah, not in this area, but like somewhere else, but like this big apartments and all stuff. I'm finally here. Yay! I came here like last time for this mic. Actually, I got like lost. Guys, I'm here at Miniso. I don't know what I'm doing here, but this is for £10. It's for 11. Like, look at here. Look at her. She's too cute. Too cute. Hey. This one is also cute, and this one, look at this one. Like, she has a cap also. Yay! I just found this on like £1, so I'm gonna bought this one. Found this one and this one. This one is £2, so £1. I don't know what to do. Guys, I didn't find anything that I like. All are like, you know, so not my type. Look at this. Should I wear this one for my birthday? This is so cute. This is too. So I'm at the H&M right now, and I don't know what I'm doing here, but yeah. Guys, I'm just leaving this place because like they don't have anything that I want. So yeah, I'm so awkward to vlog. Now let's grab my fan and leave this place ASAP because I have to go. Don't have like any handle or anything, so how am I supposed to like carry this? Stress. Reached the home, and look at this. Oh my god. Oh my god, this thing gave me like so much stress today. Like, I was holding like this, I was walking like this, like a zombie. Oh my god, finally this is here. So I have to make a video now. It's a dance video. I don't know in which song or which sound I'll be making the reel, but I've got the fan. I'm so happy now. My reel's gonna be blast. I don't know, but people like surely thought of me like, is it crazy? Because it's like really windy outside. It's so like cold, and I'm getting a fan. It's like really awkward thing, like, but it's okay. They don't know me, so yeah. Finally, after half an hour, Now I'm gonna be dancing and all. Whenever we hit on my face, like I feel like an heroine, but I look like a chudel. So it's already like 3:30 p.m. and now I'm going for shopping because when I like arrange the fan and all, and after that I make a video, of course. And after that I ate a roti and egg. So now I am ready to go to the it's the Canberra Street. Canberra. So I'm gonna go for the subdued Brandy and Hollister. They are so freaking expensive, I know, but let me just like check the prices and all. If I really like, then I will buy it. Otherwise I'm just gonna leave this because that's gonna be so expensive, as well as I don't have money. If I try to look pretty, this is the way I walked. It's so funny. Guys, I'm at train station.
Please make your way to the front of the station.
Hey. Guys, they are so crowded and I can't film. I'm so shy, as it is now. And I'm walking, guys. Now it's gonna be like 8 minutes. There I'll be in here, maybe here, I hope. Guys, I'm here.
Literally, yeah.
Sorry.
Oh, my mum's died. I had to go to. No, I had to go to like the most random. Like going.
So I'm gonna try these things. It's so crowded that I didn't like film too much. So yeah, let's try this. It's so cute. Like if I pair this one with this cardigan, so good. Guys, look at this one.
Yeah, we'll see. Are you ready? I'm ready. Wait, I think I asked.
Sorry, this one is looking too cute.
Not even Christmas. You've given the whole home. But it wasn't even the girl.
Cute. I love it. Should I get both? Do you think? I love the cut is really nice. I know.
Wait, I love this.
It's so cute.
The next one. I love this. This is cute, but I don't know. Like, I'm not sure. So this skirt is not for me. Like, genuinely not for me. Right now, I'm not sure that which I'm gonna buy because.
Yeah, but if on you, it's taken out.
Guys, it's not so good. Guys, I spot Lisa.
Yes, and as you were
My girl. To change train now. It's so fucking tired. Guys, this is so traumatized. My phone was switched off, and I'm with my like sisters. Where are they? I don't know where are they. So, and I'm charging here. Stress, guys, so stressed.